Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to plot in black and white. So we have these example drawings, and if you want to plot in black and white, you can type plot, press enter, or you can choose your printer name here. I will use the print area in window. Click from this corner point to the bottom, and you can click preview. So the preview is still with color. So to make black and white, you can go to the print style tables and we can use the grayscale.ctb file. Click yes to change, and you can click preview. It will be set the drawings to black and white. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to plot in black and white.